Harder to focus. Your body not focus. Just love me in return.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Jennifer. I hope you guys are good and I hope you guys are doing well and keeping safe. And if you're new here, you are welcome, and if you haven't subscribed, please click that red button to turn to green, and you all welcome. So guys, for today's video, I am going to be playing with all my products I have from Juvia's Place. So in that note, I am actually going to do a full face of Juvia's Place makeup brand, which is also black on makeup, and I think I did a video of that before, but this is all of Juvia's Place. The only thing that will be different in my look and in this video is the eyebrows and the setting spray and the face primer. I don't think Juvia's Place have that yet, but when they do, we're gonna update our full face. Okay, all right. So guys, we're gonna be transforming ourselves from this to a beautiful one. Okay, and first things first is a face primer. The reason for a primer is to make the foundation or the base of the makeup smooth and last all day, and give actually a barrier from your skin to the product. You know what I mean. Anyway, I am going to be using this Milk Hydro Grip Primer from Milk Makeup. Just gonna massage it all over. Then I'm just gonna spray my face with this Slay All Day Setting Spray from Gerald Cosmetics. Literally. As you know, I always start with my base makeup first before anything else, and I am gonna go straight ahead to do my foundation. I will be using the Juvia's Place foundation in Lagos, and I think I may mix it with Gabon. I'm not so sure. What do I feel like? Okay, I'm gonna go with Gabon. Is it really just dark, or is this me? You know, this foundation is literally full coverage. This is my second time of using the liquid foundation, just because the first one was a bit literally not my shade, so I know this is a full coverage makeup. I so much love this coverage of this cream foundation. I must say, like, little goes a long way. This is full bit face, like you can't see nothing. That's how much I adore the foundation. Who's this? Anyway, I did mix it a little bit with the Lagos foundation because I just feel like I need to be light in the face, but I knew I was going to cancel that with a concealer, but I didn't want to just wait for that time. I just want to like feel this vibe from the, you know, two foundation, and I am impressed. So next I'm gonna be applying my concealer underneath my eyes and then contour. So I will be using the liquid concealer in number 7 and number 12. 12 goes underneath the eye and 7 just like a contour shade. So yeah. I like to put concealers on my chin, top of the nose, and then the forehead. That thing will never fade away, just literally go. And then I apply the contour shade in number 12. Ooh, right, yeah. I'm just gonna do the contour right there, not gonna go too much. So I will blend the contour out first, then underneath the eyes. Or what do you guys think now? Let me blend underneath the eyes first, then the contour. I love using brush now to blend my concealers, like my under eye concealer. With the beauty blender, it does the work smooth, but I feel like with brush I will probably get a precise blending. It control the areas when I am putting the product, and with beauty blender I just think like it sucks all of the product and moves it as well, and I can't control it as much as I want to. So with the brush, I don't have to put a lot of concealer. Even this seems to be a lot, but you know what I'm talking about. I did not put contour on my forehead. I don't know why. I just feel like since I'm going to be setting that with powder or bronzer, I don't need to actually contour the forehead. I don't know. So next is to just contour the side cheek, where we won't actually want to make the definition out to look as if, okay, we lost some pounds right there. So whatever is left on the brush, I will go over the nose with it, and then I'll go over the forehead with it, and everything will be blended together. So right here we are, our base is getting there. So now I'm just gonna set underneath my eyes, which is also known as baking, but I have a different technique now. I am not gonna dust it off, I'm just gonna blend it into the skin, and it sticks in. Yeah, so the powder I'll be using is also from Juvia's Place, and this is called the Sahara powder. It's a really light powder, and in this instance I use the beauty blender to actually put this underneath my eyes, like for baking. So before I do that, I want to make sure there's no creasing, no products moving, because it can be crazy. So now I've gotten that crease set already, then I can do whatever face shape I want to do. So I'm just going to bake the area I apply the concealer, like the lighter concealer mainly, not literally the whole face. To set the whole face, I have a different powder for that. So, but it's not Juvia's Place, it's just a MAC or Fenty bronzer. But yeah, I'll do that outside the camera. I'm setting in that powder, tap it in to blend into the skin, to just melt right in, just melt right in. So this is the actually finished base, but not like finished yet, but you know, we've gotten the liquid, the cream, the powder out of the way, and next is to do my eyebrows. Then I will be back for the eyes and the rest of the finished look. Then I'm just gonna go set the other side of my face. We'll be back. Welcome back, and we are about to do the eye look for this side. As you can see, this is what I wait for, and I really like it. I'm going to be using this Magic Mini by Juvia to come up with this look, and we just go with the flow. Guys, I am just gonna go ahead to put my lashes, and I'll be back. So guys, I am gonna do my blush now. I'll be using this Sahara blush volume 1, and I'll be using Toby.
Hello, well, welcome to the club. That happens to mine.
It's a bit orangey shade for my blush. That's the way I feel. So guys, I really love this palette. It's so pigmented, and you can see the orange, you know, peeking through. So next is to apply our highlight. I'll be using the Tribe Highlight Volume 1 by Juvia's Place. Ooh. next we're gonna apply our lips. I'll be using this shade. I think it's this is Dudu Matte from the Festival collection. Guys, this is the finished face look. Because my eye is colorful, the lips is a bit dull, our hair and everything is looking dull. I really do not know when I was doing the eye look what I want to go for, but yeah, we are cut crease. I'm not the fan of cut crease like that, but it's always looking beautiful. The reason why I'm not a fan of cut crease just because I have hooded eyes, and most of the time my eyes always looking up or short closed, so you can't not actually see the beauty of the eye look. So I think when it's done right and well, you will actually see the beauty of a cut crease. So yeah, we are, I don't know what to call it, but this is our full face of using Juvia's Place product, apart from the primer, the spray and the eyebrows. But I'm loving this look. That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and slap a like on this video. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts on this look. Did I did well? Did I try? What do you think was different? Should I have done something different? Because I was just actually playing with this palette and the makeup brand as a whole, and this is what I came up with. It's not my everyday eye look, but it's just something out there that is good. And on that note, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this, and I hope this video helped you out as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so before you go. Why not? I need you part of the family, and I will be seeing you in my next video. So take care of yourself and be nice to others. Peace out.